Even as petitioners argue against Supreme Court's November 7 order mandating that stray dogs not be released back into their localities after vaccination, a story of incredible inhumanity against dogs has come to light from Telangana. Police booked cases against 9 people, including the sarpanches of Shayampet and Arapalli villages in Hanumakonda district, of allegedly killing around 300 stray dogs using lethal injections. The incident came to light on Sunday when police and veterinary doctors visited the villages to conduct a post-mortem of the buried carcasses. Meanwhile, during hearing of the stray dogs issue in Supreme Court, it once again became a matter of ridiculing or shaming animal activists rather than looking at the core issue. Senior counsel Vaibhav Gaggar, representing an 80-year-old dog lover who hosts strays themselves, suggested incentivizing adoption of stray dogs. But instead of taking the suggestion or considering it, the bench of Justices Vikram Nath, Sandeep Mehta and N.Y. Anjaria lashed out at the lawyers, saying that they could argue for adoption of orphan street children and that these are the longest arguments that they have heard since becoming a judge. No one is arguing so long for human beings. But is that the response or the binary that needs to be created? During one hearing, when Kapil Sibal argued that municipal rules are very inhumane, court said, we'll play a video next hearing and ask you what humanity is. Now, is this about comparative cruelty between animals and humans, or about solving the stray dogs issue? Then when Kapil Sibal suggested a feral or an unruly dog can be taken for sterilization and released back, as the law says, court said only thing missing is counseling for a dog. Unfortunately, currently it looks like the bench's mind is made up. This case is being used, some feel, as a stick to beat animal lovers, and may be to satisfy a certain public discourse that has started over the last few months. Now, here's what lawyers said while arguing in court today against the order that was given by the Supreme Court on November 7. Senior advocate Pinky Anand argued that if dogs are taken away from their original territory and they don't return, then it would create a vacuum and would be compensated by even more ferocious dogs. Shadan Farasat stated the issue is not dogs versus humans, but a failure of the state to discharge its statutory duties. Senior advocate Menaka Guruswamy stated that sterilization is the only effective way forward, and then culling or removing a species dehumanizes society. Senior advocate Percival Bilimoria blamed ineffective implementation of measures as the root cause, but nobody's really looking at this. Senior advocate Vikas Singh stated that dogs are sentient beings and they do play a vital role in the urban ecosystem, so a balanced approach is required.